Yep. 2 moments last. Call the fuck on. Look, that's the bike that I got. You got to be fucking kidding. Goddamn, what is this fucking slow ass dough or something? Come on! I'm waiting. Waiting. I'm waiting. It's been 1 minute now.
It has. I thought you was thinking your wedgie.
Hello? I like how fucking Verizon Wireless hangs up on your dumb ass. I'll try my goddamn self. I'm so ass. Hey, you want to fart with that? Are you recording me?
No.
Are you recording me?
No.
Bullshit.
I'm not.
The fuck you guys looking at your phones and the camera's facing at me?
It's not facing you.
Bullshit, I can see the fucking camera right there. And right there. You know, I'm not slow. I'm not mental. Yet.
Oh, this is a pretty cool game.
Oh, this is a pretty good fucking phone. Even though I'm recording you.
You still got pee?
Yeah.
She's been holding that in for
You
a
gotta
long
pee?
time.
Hey, you got a pocket empty?
What?
Is your pocket empty?
Yeah.
There you go, pee in her pants.
Really? You got pockets empty?
No, I don't.
Your back pocket?
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
I got condoms.
Wow. Are you do house sex with a